with a 6 at 152.37. Congratulations, sir. You're outstanding. You keep on movement going. Super eliminator category action. Well, we're talking about number one qualifiers. You know who was the number one qualifier here once? I think it was last year. It was the president of AMA Drag Bike Association, Scott Valetti. We need applause for Wade. Applause. We need top hill, we need funny bike, we need burnout. And we need applause too.